Hi, welcome back to Food Travel Shopping Channel, and you're watching another episode of Cook Like the Young. Today I am doing one of my summer favorites here, which is the summer corn salad. This is great pairing with summer barbecue, especially maybe your friends and families are coming over for dinner. This is a great preparation for just like a side dish. So a perfect summer side dish, this is what I would call it. If you are a new friend, I recommend you hitting the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you won't miss another video. So let me show you how to prepare this summer corn salad. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and grill some corn here. So directly place to the grill. Okay, so I'm doing a total of 5 corn here for the corn salad. And we're gonna let this grill. I'm gonna come back in 15 minutes and then just rotate them. So make sure your burner here is gonna be on essentially low. And we'll come back in 15 minutes. Okay, so let's take a look at after 15 minutes. Okay. So very nice color here already. All right, so we're just gonna rotate around. Have a little even grilling here. All right, so I'm gonna do this another 15 minutes. Okay, we'll come back in another 15 minutes. Okay, last rotation. Okay, look at the nice grilling action here with the corn. All right, 10 more minutes and we're done. Okay, look how beautiful the grilled corn is. Okay, so we're now gonna let it completely cool down before we cut them up. All right, so once the corn is cooled down, now we can actually just go ahead and cut our corn kernel. Okay, so this is the result after I grill the 1 red onions, and we're just gonna go ahead and dice it. Gives it really good flavor with a bit of char. Alright, so here are the ingredients to make our summer corn. I have previously roasted the 5 corn here, and now I have cut it out here, each kernel. So just a cup of the cilantro, 1 red onions. I grilled it, and you want to go ahead and dice that. 3 tomatoes, so medium-sized tomato is fine. Go ahead and dice that as well. Half a cup of the Mediterranean olive oil extra virgin. Got some pepper and salt. Half a lemon, and about 3 sprigs of the dill here. So we're gonna go ahead and mix all the ingredients together. Very, very simple dish here. Okay, so we're gonna serve it cold as well. So you're gonna incorporate the tomato in. All right, then we're gonna add some more colors here with our red onions. Okay, add in our cilantro. go ahead and add in our dill as well. Okay, the dill is gonna be the key ingredients here to make it really light and fresh. Okay, give this a good mix. Okay, now I'm gonna add my half a lemon. So squeeze in your lemon juice here. Okay, if you don't have lemon, you can substitute it with lime. Lime is just as good. A little different in terms of the two citrus here. Okay, so we're gonna add a little bit of salt here, a teaspoon of salt. Maybe a half a teaspoon, all right? So just season that to your taste. Okay, so some fresh black pepper here. Again, the black pepper, you can season it to taste. Okay, give this a good mix. Alright, finally I'm gonna add in my olive oil. Okay, again, stir it again. Mix it really good. So I have my Le Creuset enamel on steel mixed bowl here. So this is such a beautiful color. The orange, blue, and white, really perfect, very summery. So if you have not yet watched my unboxing here, I will put this in the description box below. So let's pour this in. Okay, just go ahead and transfer it over to your serving bowl. This absolutely looks gorgeous here. Very appetizing. Okay, you can definitely serve it with a barbecue. And definitely the corn in the summer is so fresh. Definitely go ahead and buy fresh corn and grill it. Okay, I would not recommend any corn coming from can or even the frozen corn. I only use those when the corn is not in season. Okay, so but worst comes to worst, use the frozen corn instead of the canned corn. Alright, so I have put this in the fridge for 30 minutes, so now I'm ready to serve. Look how beautiful this summer corn salad. Super easy to make. Highly recommend you making it for your own. Maybe try it out for a barbecue. It is light and delicious. So, thank you for watching this episode of Cook Like the Yeungs. So go ahead and give me a thumbs up by hitting the like button below so then more viewers like you get to see something that I have produced at Cook Like the Yeungs. So if you have not yet subscribed to the Food Travel Shopping channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button below and hit the bell notification for our latest video and update. Thank you, and I'll see you next time on Cook Like the Yeungs.